the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 19th of July. I'm James Spann. Get ready. Hottest weather so far this year, coming up late this weekend over the weekend. Here we go. Classic summertime look, ridging across the deep south. The upper high centered over Oklahoma and Kansas and Arkansas, Missouri. The westerlies on top of the heat bubble. And the ring of fire effect storm clusters on the periphery of the upper high. In Alabama, pretty decent number of scattered storms this afternoon. That was the radar at 2:32. Good rain falling in the southern part of the Birmingham metro. Big rains off to the west of Gadsden. Scattered heavy storms at parts of Winston, St. Clair, Talladega counties, all of those drifting down to the south. Temperatures are mostly in the lower 90s. Tuscaloosa 87 because of a nearby rain shower earlier. Huntsville 94. We'll be in the mid-90s tomorrow, and temperatures by Thursday and Friday, 97 to 100. Heat advisories, excessive heat watches, excessive heat warnings, west and north of the state, all the way from Shreveport and Vicksburg up to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Chicago. In terms of severe weather, got standard slight risks for parts of North Carolina and Virginia and Iowa for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather well to the north. And day 3, which is Thursday. A couple of marginal risks, again, well to the north of here. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday morning. Amounts 1/2 to 1 inch. And again, after today, the storms are there every day, but they should be fewer in number. So the odds of getting hit by a storm will be smaller later this week and into the early part of the weekend. But again, every day we've got the chance of at least a cooling storm. And the tropics, same old story. Dry air, nothing happening across the Atlantic basin. Here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. 597 heat ring, a little west of the state, but it's clearly nosing in here. And tomorrow we're expecting mid-90s, hot, muggy, with only isolated storms. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 95. Thursday, upper 90s are likely. And the same thing Friday. I'd say highs Thursday and Friday between 97 and 100 for most spots. Look at the anomalies on Friday, and you don't want to see those shades of red. That represents temperatures about 15 degrees above average for much of the state. And that's not good. So, again, it's going to be a scorcher on Friday. Saturday, as the weekend begins, not much change. Upper 90s. Sunday, mid to upper 90s with isolated storms. Next week, the heat ridge shifts a little to the west. Highs probably drop back in the low to mid-90s. Chance of scattered afternoon storms. And on Tuesday, you can see how the heights are coming down, and again, that might open the door for an increase in the number of scattered showers and storms with low 90s by then. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday, July 29th. Pretty classic summer look. The core westerlies up north, and again, for us, you know the deal. Partly sunny, hot, humid. The chance of an afternoon storm in a few spots. Check the numbers first off the GEFS ensemble. Got readings up there near 100 for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But again, I think the European may be a little closer in line here. It's got us around 100 on the same 3 days. And then next week, the numbers come down with low 90s toward the latter part of next week. But one way or the other, the dog days of summer, it's just hot. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.